In today's video we will backtest the so-called jackpot trading strategy that many of our subscribers asked us to review. Is it really worth it? Is it gonna make you a millionaire? Hello and welcome back to Trading Strategy Testing channel. Many people are wondering how to make money online and whether Forex can help you make a fortune one day. The strategy we will test today is suggested by many of our subscribers. It's called Jackpot Trading Strategy and it's such a tempting name in my opinion. Well, we will give it a try today and see whether you should consider it if you are looking for a trading strategy for your Forex or stocks investment. But before that, if this is your first time here, consider subscribing to the channel and give this video a thumbs up to help the channel grow and encourage us to make more content in future. Let's get started.
You might have noticed that we are running a live stream video on this channel, where we share with you a live Forex heat map, as well as the instant market direction for the day. You can also find the latest Forex related news that you might need to check out before entering the market to avoid any surprise. There are plenty of details to clarify here. Let us know in the comments section if you want a dedicated video to explain how to use these charts in future. You can also run this in the background while trading Forex and share your thoughts in the chat section. Running this live stream requires resources, so we will appreciate it if you support this to allow us to continue making more content in future. I will leave the link in the description. As usual, we are going to review the Forex trading strategy in question and study the buy and sell rules. Then we will look at some examples from the chart and highlight the entry, exit and trading setup as per the author of the strategy. Once done, we will begin backtesting and answer some of your questions from the comment section. At the end, we will reveal the result and share with you our feedback about this Forex trading strategy. The so-called Jackpot Forex trading strategy relies on the Ichimoku cloud. You might be familiar with this trading indicator, as we have backtested 100 times before on this channel. The setup suggested by the author is slightly different from the one we followed in our video. Alright, let's get the Ichimoku indicator set before discussing the differences. The Ichimoku indicator is a collection of technical indicators that show support and resistance levels, as well as momentum and trend direction. It might be complicated to look at, but thanks God the strategy we are backtesting today operates with the minimum settings. Basically, we need to disable the lead lines as well as the lagging span. The Ichimoku is definitely a great trading indicator, as it is an all-in-one technical analysis indicator incorporating multiple elements represented by different indicators. It's also one of the most popular indicators among Forex, stocks and even cryptocurrency traders. But, is it going to operate in this scenario? Is the strategy profitable? That's what we are going to learn today, so stay tuned. This is the trading setup we will be backtesting today. This video is made as per the request of many of our subscribers who share with us this strategy and wanted us to backtest it independently. Let us know in the comments section the strategy you want us to backtest next. Well, the Forex trading setup seems to be easy. We should go long when the conversion line crosses above the baseline and the price is above the Ichimoku cloud. On the other hand, we should consider selling when the price is below the cloud and the conversion line is crossing below the baseline. There is no stop loss apparently, and we should exit the trade with profit or loss when the two lines cross again. Alright, let's look at some examples from the chart. Based on the setup our subscribers sent us, the strategy works best on the daily time frame, as it incorporates enough price actions, and the signal will definitely be solid and reliable. You can see here that the conversion line crosses above the baseline, and the price is above the Ichimoku cloud, so we went long and exited as soon as the two lines crossed over again. Alright, let's look at a sell setup. You can notice here that the price is under the Ichimoku cloud and the conversion line is crossing below the baseline. We should go short and exit at the next crossover. Well, let's see how to operate in practice. Based on the strategy, we should be looking for crossovers either above or below the Ichimoku cloud, which acts as a strong support or resistance. The strategy seems to work best in the Forex market with all Forex pairs. It is based on the conversion and baseline signals, which are usually used to determine the trend direction, so in theory when the two lines cross, we should be looking for a change in the price direction. You can expect a negative trend if the price falls below the cloud and a long momentum when the price goes above it. Once we enter a trade, we should keep the trade open until the two lines cross over again. In this hand-picked example, you can see that we went long when the conversion line crossed above the baseline. We kept the trade running for a few days until another crossover happened, which means it's time to exit the trade. Alright, let's look at a short trade. You might be wondering what's the right volume as per the author of this strategy. Well, I couldn't find a clear rule, but I would eventually use a small volume to avoid making huge risks. I am deeply skeptical about this forex trading strategy for many reasons, but I will give it a try as per the request of our subscribers. Let us know in the comments section what strategy you want us to backtest next, and feel free to give the video a thumbs up if you enjoy this type of content. The strategy doesn't specify a certain volume or a given financial instrument, so we will play it safe and trade $100 and use different instruments, as this forex strategy relies on the daily time frame, so we will only have few entries per year. We will also use one microlot as a volume to avoid drawdowns. You can download your free copy of this journal in the link available in the description. We have also made a video to teach you how to use this forex trading journal. The link should appear now on the screen. Always backtest your strategy before investing your funds. This question is from Krishna, who is wondering how to control emotions while trading. There are many tips on how to control emotions when trading forex or other financial instruments. Personally, I like to trade after having enough sleep and a nice breakfast. I usually stay away from my girlfriend to avoid any distractions. I am also part of the traders who don't use expert advisors or any other automatic trading system, so I have two accounts, one for scalping and another one for swing trading. For scalping, I like to use price alarms at the key levels instead of stop loss in some situations, or I tend to hedge the position with a forex pair or stock that has a negative correlation with the financial instrument I am trading. Other than that, when you use a strategy that has been tested enough in the past, you will be able to avoid losses more easily. Once you place a trade, don't keep looking at the chart or other indicators. Just place the trade and walk away. If you have the habit of watching the trade, you will give in to many temptations. You may move your stop loss hoping that the market is going to reverse. You may move your take profit level, hoping that the trend is going to continue in the same direction. If you keep moving these values, there is no point in setting them in the first place. It also feeds your emotions. Let us know in the comments section your strategy to avoid emotion trading. Alright, let's look at the results now. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to complete backtesting this strategy as the account was blown up. I only managed to place 29 trades across a period of time of 35 months, which is pretty long. Well, let's analyze some of the reasons why this strategy is probably not the best in the market. You can easily notice these 8 consecutive losing trades, but is that all? Probably not. Well, here is my feedback. We have to admit that the strategy is pretty simple and could be used with all the forex instruments. But on the other hand, we need to monitor the trades the whole time, as there is no clear stop loss or take profit. The forex trading strategies based on the daily time frame might cost us a fortune and swap if we choose the wrong pair. Other than that, the strategy doesn't have any special arrangements for fundamentals, and we can only encounter few setups across the year, as trades might run for weeks. I personally don't recommend this strategy, well, at least in its current format, so stay safe and manage your investment properly. Let us know your opinion in the comments section and feel free to give the video a thumbs up to encourage us to make more videos in future, and let us know what strategy you want us to test next in the comments section.
Wait, we have got a little surprise for you guys. As per your request, we are going to start a new YouTube series where we grow a small forex account together. We are not sure of the balance you want us to start with, so we created a poll on our Facebook group to get your opinion. Feel free to join us by clicking on the link available in the comments section. Thank you for watching and happy trading.